Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make bracelets, and it comes with 3,000 rubber bands. You can make 150 bracelets. Now let's open it. So now we're going to make our bracelets. Let's open this. I don't have to open this. Take out white, take out green, take out blue, take out... Now, I'm thinking we could do the color, this kind of color. So we're going to do this kind of color with our beads. How do I open this? Okay. I don't know how to open this one. Oh, I already opened. It comes in a pack. So that we have our beads, we have our name beads, we have color beads. I don't know what we're going to do. Okay, guys, now we have our green thing. What we're going to do with our green thing, these two holes you're thinking of is what you're going to use for your bands. So, we will open this. Booty, 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 booty. Up in there, and you know what I'm going to do. I have to twist. I've done it. Put it. Where's our hook? This purple. And get this. The next purple. And get that. Done. Now. I'm doing it. Do the next. I'm gonna do like the sky, so guys. I did it. I have done it, guys. This is our last bit. And I brought it for me, so what do I do? Done. I'm done. Oopsies. Now guys, we're doing double. Twist to another. Oof. I did it. I want to start off with orange. ketchup. Done it. Finally, I've done it. The braces have been